Alright, this is homework video 2-4 for the class, hands-on fun with rational numbers. If you're watching this video and you're not in that class, you can go down into the description and see a link to the class. And if you would like to, you can take it live on outschool.com. If you're one of my students, just wait. I'm about ready to pause, put up the answers, and you can grade your work. Alright, so go ahead and pause and grade your work and see how you did, and then come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you're done. All right, so this first one, we're given mixed numbers and we have to turn them into improper fractions. Well, okay, so this is like saying I have one bag of Skittles. Every bag of Skittles has the place value. The place value is that every bag of Skittles should have 4 Skittles in them. All right, so this one has 4 Skittles in it. And then this is my part. I have 3 extra Skittles that didn't make it into a bag. If I count up all the Skittles, I have 7 Skittles and 4 still make a bag, okay? All right, let's go to the next one. This time I have 2 bags of Skittles. Each bag of Skittles has 8 Skittles in them. And I have 3 leftover ones. If I count all of these up, I have 8 plus 8. Oh, this is wrong. I'm sorry. So 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 3 is 19 over 8. Okay. I added 1 too many. It should be 19 over 8. All right, in this one, I have 3 bags of Skittles. Each one has 3 Skittles in it. Then I have an extra Skittle, and if I count all these up, there's 10 over 3. Okay, so that's how I model it. But in this class, we want to get out of the modeling and into doing it the right way. So what we're doing is repetitive addition. I'm adding everything in this one, plus everything in this one. Anytime we have repetitive addition, we can quicken it up by saying, I have 3 bags, 3 Skittles in each bag, and make it multiplication. So the first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number and then add the top. Okay, so I'm going to go 2 times 9 plus 5. That's 18 plus 5, which is 23, and it always goes over the place value, so 23 over 9. All right, in this one, whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 more is 3, and then put it over the place value of 2, the common denominator. All right, 4 times 10 plus 7. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 7 more is going to be 47. Put that over the denominator, and I have 47 over 10. All right. So the next one says, write the steps of changing a mixed number to an improper fraction or model with pictures. So the answer is going to be 23 over 5. And you could do this a myriad of different ways. But you have to tell me somewhere in there, either with the way you model or the way you write it, that the whole number is multiplied to the denominator. And added to numerator. So I don't care how you express that. There's going to be a myriad of different answers, just as long as you express those steps. Okay? All right, so let's look at the next ones, and they are turning an improper fraction into a mixed number. All right, so in this one I want to just do a few things. I want to first model it, and then I'll kind of do the same steps I did with the ones before. I'll model it, and then I won't model it the next time. I'll I'll do the math, okay? So in this one, ooh, this is going to be a hard one to model, but I'm going to model. I have 39 Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I need some more. I need all the way to 39. Okay, so this is all the Skittles that I have, and I'm going to have to figure out how many bags I can make out of these Skittles. So, and because the denominator is 6, I know that there are 6 in each one, okay, in each bag of Skittles. So here's my first bag. Here's my second bag. My third bag. My fourth bag. My fifth bag. And my sixth bag. Okay, so I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags with 3 left over 6, and that can reduce down, the 3 over 6 can reduce down to 1/2. All right, let's model this next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the one I'm worried about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and I'm putting these in groups of 11. So there's my first group of 11. There's my second. 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here's 5, 11. Ooh, I forgot one. There we go. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one left over and the denominator stays the same. One last one that I'll model, and then I'm going to show you the math. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and I'm putting them in groups of 7 this time. So there's one group of 7. There is another group of 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have one just hanging out there. Okay, so there's 4, there's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made 3 packs with 6 left over, and the denominator is 7. So how do I do this mathematically? Well, all I'm doing is dividing it up into groups. That should tell you what operation we're going to do. Also, if I have to multiply to figure out to make it improper, I'm going to have to divide and subtract to make it a mixed number, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put it into division. The top number always goes on the inside. The bottom number goes on the outside. 12 goes into 24 2 times. Now look at this one. This one's kind of a neat one. When I do it, there is no remainder. So it's just a whole number of 2. Okay, this one's just 2. 12 goes in it evenly 2 times. But this one is also a weird one. Okay, so the 3 is on the outside. How many times can 1 go into 3? 3 times, and that is also no remainder. So the answer is just 3. Now this one's slightly different. We are going to have a remainder finally. 4 can go into 25 6 times, which is 24, and an answer of 1. So this number is my whole number, as you can see. This is my numerator, and this is my denominator. So it makes 6 1/4. Now for number 14, we need to write the steps of changing from improper to a mixed number or a model with pictures. So I don't mind how you go about this, what you say. There's going to be varying answers. As long as you put in there, you must divide the denominator into the numerator, and the answer will be the whole number, the remainder, over the denominator will be the fraction. All right, so go ahead and do this. Contact me if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next video.